The next question is to find the product of -8 and the sum of -2 times in bracket 10x plus 3y and -5 times in bracket 6y minus 7x. What would you think, people? Kalian, especially, where should I start? Any suggestions? Just the suggestions, please. Again?
The bracket.
Yeah, yes, the bracket, especially here, something with a bracket, we need to solve it first. But what does the word sum mean? You have to add both, yes, plus, you have to add both expressions here. So I just write it here, -2 times 10x plus 3y plus -5 open bracket 6y minus 7x. So if I open the bracket, meaning I have to multiply each one of them. So this is -20x, and this one is -6y, -30y, and then +35x. Now, the 35x can be put closer to 20x, and then here we have -6y plus 30y. So now the last step is we write it as shortly as possible, So we have 35 minus 20 will be 15x and -36y. Is it clear, Kaligan? Is that what you have also from the sum? Feedbacks? Do you have any feedback, Kaligan? Is it the same answer? No feedback. But do you have the same answer first? At least for the sum. All right. Now, after we have the sum, so we'll come back to Fila, who just enters in. Here the question is, find the product of -8 and the sum of this. So we try to solve the sum of the two algebraic expressions, the long one and this long one. And then we have at the end for the sum is 15x -36y. Now, the product is the one that is asked at the end, the product of -8 and this sum, which is 15x -36y. So I just need to multiply it, -8 times 15x -36y. So now I multiply it one by one. So I have -8 times 15. That would be 8 times 15, 120. 120x plus 36 times 8 will be 288. And that's all. Now we have only two binomials with the elements of -120 and 228. Why? So that's all. Any questions from both of you? Again, Kira? Did you have the same answer? All right, that's great. Then I will turn on the recording.